Hello friends, this is an invitation for you to join a 7-month specialized program designed to equip you with all of the knowledge and skills that you need to master astral travel. It's led by the experienced Jade Shaw and her team, who have put in a lot of work to make this happen. This course includes 42 hours of live classes, ceremonies, community gatherings, and more. I will personally be working with you throughout these 7 months, hosting sharing circles, getting to know you and help your specific challenges and barriers. On top of this, you'll also be working with 5 other renowned mentors. This is a unique opportunity to embark on a spiritual journey with fellow friends in a supportive community, where you'll not only learn the ins and outs of astral projection, but also embrace the self-transformative psychological benefits that are natural byproducts of out-of-body experiences, guided by archetypal figures within the framework of the hero's journey. In association with Astral Doorway and the Astral Projection subreddit, we're offering 40% off. Just use the code GENE.
Is something stirring within you? Do you feel a call to change, an urge for a new reality to unfold? If the answer is yes, are you willing to embark on an incredible voyage of self-discovery that goes beyond your comfort zone, beyond the blocks that hold you back, beyond the boundaries of ordinary reality? If you're ready, I invite you to join me on an adventure of astral projection with a beautiful tribe of kindred spirits. Beyond is an immersive online mystery school cross-science lab. Over 7 months, we unlock 7 gates to 7 skills that activate astral travel for self-growth. But this journey isn't just about the end goal of having out-of-body experiences. This unique program is set within the framework of the hero's journey that recognizes the path itself as a pilgrimage to self-transformation. You'll meet mentors, make new friends, overcome challenges, and acquire gifts that not only aid you to astral travel, but also open profound possibilities to new realities within your life. Using the magic of myth, with science-backed methods to facilitate behaviour change and new habits, we shape the psyche, forming qualities essential for mastering out-of-body experiences. From rituals to experiments, you will take part in live ceremonies, lectures, and community circles. And just like a journey to the astral realm, you're going to encounter mystery guides, archetypal figures along the way. I can't wait to go on this new adventure with you, and I'm looking forward to seeing you go beyond.